Alright, my new toy, Energizer Rechargeable. So I got this one from Costco for $24.95, I believe. Plus tax will be 27 something. Alright, okay, let me just open this one. Alright, so I'm done unboxing this one. So the cool thing about it, it has its own case, so you won't lose your batteries whatsoever. And behind this one, the, behind this one, there's a D adapter and C adapter. And the other thing that I like on this one, there's a battery protection, so helps prevent damage to batteries from overcharge. So there's the stats on the back. I'm just gonna make a quick video. Alright, and the USB charging port. So let's go back in here. So there's the USB charging port. Let me just take my wire and let's take it out. Alright, I'm gonna plug this one in. May I borrow your phone real quick? Okay, so now it's plugged. And let's see. Looks like this one doesn't have any charge yet, so or maybe you still need to plug this one. Right there. There you go, and it's working. Phone is charging right there. Okay. Oh, I forgot there's a divider right here. Let me just take this one off. Take off the divider, but I thought it's gonna work that way, that you can able to charge your battery even without plugging this one in. So this charging port only works when you plug this battery charger into the socket. Yeah. There you go. So basically, you can charge your battery and your phone at the same time. And the cool thing about this pack is you can, if you need a bigger battery, if you need to use a bigger battery, you can just slide this one in, the AA, into this D adapter, and then you're good to use this one. Same thing with this one right here, the C adapter. So you're just gonna slide this one down in, just like that. Easy as that, and you're good to go. There you go. And I think that will be it for this review and video. So it's a good set by Energizer. So I think this is gonna be useful for you guys, especially if you have kids at home who likes RC toys, remote control, or any kind of toys that operated by the battery. All right. Thanks for watching.